Hey guys, today I want to talk about tolerances and why they do matter, they do not matter like a lot. Okay, first off, need to talk about sound. This is like two of my one of my 2 points that I want to make in this video, but this is the principal one. First, if you have like tons and tons of tap and play, it's gonna affect the sound. Really, it's gonna affect the sound. It could, differentiate. It could be just like it does not making that much of a sound, or like you hear the balisong all the time. Like when you're flipping, you hear you hear like the blade going around places. Like, and when you move it like this, you hear that the blade is moving. You know, that's annoying, isn't it? And to prove a point, I'm going to pick up my Nautilus. I just oiled it like 2 days ago, and I did not use that much. The Nautilus, it's still quite, oiled up. But when you like, this is. I don't know if you can see that, but it really still has a lot of oil in that. And when you put oil, you can hear like not that much. You cannot hear that much of the tap and play. Fuck. The play you can still notice, of course, but yeah. Right now, I do not have like a balisong that it's making like a lot of noise. Oh wait a minute. Yeah, about what I was talking, I do still have one that makes like the blade when you're flipping makes a lot of sound. But keep in mind, I do not oil this bali in like probably a month and a half. Yeah, probably that. When you're flipping, you can hear like the blade moving around. I hope you can hear that. And that's annoying. But I have tips for you to have no to your tolerances to get better. First, you need to check down if the screws are fully tightened. Only if it's bushings, a bushing balisong. If it's a washer only balisong, you need to fully tight them, and it's not gonna be moving if you fully tighten them. But and then you are going to lose it like a little bit until you can move it freely, and that's a good swing like this. And yeah, my second point is that if you have like a lot and lots of tap, play, fuck, you can imagine I'm flipping, which I am, but and I have a balisong that has like lots and lots of taps. Play, fuck, like the handle is supposed to be here, right? Imagine if it's here, okay? That's rare, but it's not impossible. You are going to try to flip it and close it, and it's not gonna close, and that's really annoying. But that's really rare. Fuck. This one, you can hear the sound. It's not great. This is the Mercolo C116. It was my first Bally. And you know, I'm gonna keep it, of course, because it's my first Bally. But I would not. Fuck. I'm deviating the fucking tap and play talk. Forget what I was saying. Okay. Tolerances, they do matter, not a lot, but you should keep them in mind. But it's not like, ooh, I'm not gonna buy in this value because it has a like little bit of tap. No. If it is a bushing balisong, you can tune the bushings. If not, just a little bit of tap does not like ruin the balisong. You should still buy that if you really want that. Don't, you know. I do not know what to talk about anymore about tolerance. That's my opinion, like all of it. And that's it for today, guys. Yeah.